welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starry, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Starry. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? We are back today with another recipe from the Gudetama Cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making... Dun, dun. Life is hard. Let's make tacos. Because it's true, life is hard. So let's make some tacos. This makes 8 servings and it's supposed to be a 2 on the scale? A medium? For real? We have a thing right here as well as a thing right here. Let's take a moment to appreciate little baby Gudetama. I love you. Like, dude, do you see that? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The only reason why I chose this one is because I liked the title of it a lot, because life is a little hard sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. I'm downplaying it by a lot as well. But yeah, this is what we're gonna be making today. I wanted to also have something that was like not too difficult, just because I kind of wanted a little tiny break, just a tiny one, you know, just a little lull. So that's what we're making today. That's really it. That's all I got. Let's go ahead and read what this says and read this down here. Whether you're dealing with work, school, or life in general, it's a lot, and I wouldn't blame you for putting up your feet and calling it a day. Of course you want to live a life of laziness to the fullest, but if there's one thing that's worth the effort, it's tacos. When savory ground beef and cheese call to you, you simply must answer the call. You can take a nap later. You've earned it. Aww. You know, I feel like I'm like in a minority here, but I personally I don't like taking naps. I know, because like everybody I know likes taking naps, but I don't. I don't know. Let's go ahead and read this right down here. If the idea of standing in front of a stove for 10 minutes is too much to handle, plan ahead and make a slow cooker pork the day before. The sweet and savory slow roasted pork is the perfect filling for tacos and is effortless to make because the slow cooker does all the work for you. All you have to do is reheat the pork and place it in the tortilla. Tacos can take a lot out of you, but I'm sure you'll pull through. Aww. Aww. That 10 minutes, 10 minutes is actually not too bad. But I mean, some days, dude, even just standing to cook in general, standing even in front of the microwave, if you're heating something up for even like 1.5 to 3 minutes. I know it doesn't seem like a lot when I say it out loud, but some days, bro, it be like that. Yeah, that's what we're making today. So here is like the list of ingredients that we have. The one thing that I didn't really do exactly is shredded cheddar jack cheese. I ended up just using what we had in the fridge already, so that's literally it. But it's still tacos with meat and cheese, so yay! Let's go ahead and get started. And here are all of the ingredients. Not a lot. Wow. Lots of spices though. Exciting. We love spices in this household. Alright, so now that we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. I'm opening it exactly on the right page, and that was 2 times in a row. I'm just saying, like, awesome. Maybe I chose one that was a little... No. Sometimes you just need ones that are just like straightforward and simple like this, you know? Dude, that's so simple. I'm excited. Anyway, let's get started. In a small bowl, stir together the chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and cayenne pepper. Set aside. In a skillet over medium-high heat, brown the ground beef about 8 to 10 minutes. Add the seasonings and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Serve in tortillas with lettuce and cheese. And here's the reveal. See that? It looks pretty good. It smells amazing. They look so yummy. Oh my god. They smell so good. I can't wait to try it. Okay. We're good.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The seasoning is
pretty good.
Pretty fucking good.
I like it.
Me too. This is amazing. Dude, that tastes so good. That season mix is fantastic. 20 20 out of 10. 20 out of 10. Low effort. Oh my god. This was actually the perfect recipe to try this week because this week, I'm not gonna lie, was trying me. We made it and it wasn't that bad. I was getting kind of bored waiting for the meat to cook. So I was like stretching and like moving around and stuff, but like this was the perfect recipe to try this week. I'm a little sniffly. The seasoning was so good. It's so spicy. I mean, it's not spicy, but it's like spicy. I was a little worried it was gonna end up being like a little bland, but no, I was so wrong. Yummy in my tummy, dude. Oh my god. When I decided to make this recipe, it really got me thinking. I don't actually make tacos very often at all. So I really need to just add that into my rotation, and like with the way that this little seasoning medley or whatever was perfect. So I think this is going to actually be added into one of the low effort dinners. The cookbook served its purpose perfectly, and I am incredibly satisfied with the results. So yay! What do you guys think? Do you guys like tacos? I love tacos. I freaking love tacos. We have quite a few taco trucks here in the good old state of Texas, and I love me a good taco truck. Yeah, I just like I like the pork and beef tacos the most, and then whenever they add like a lot of onions, ooh, I love it. I love it when they add onions, or you know when there's not. I mean, I don't know, the seasoning on those. Love that. I just really love tacos. And then tacos with rice and beans, like to the side. I don't know, I love Mexican food. Anyway, there we go. Do you guys make tacos at home? How do you season your tacos? Because now I'm just gonna look into like different ways to make tacos. Why have I never made them? Like why? They're so good. And I can like play around with like the seasonings, easy peasy. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. Woohoo! If you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to leave a like and or comment or whatever the whole YouTube spiel is. But I'm gonna thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and making it until the end. The next Gudetama recipe that I'm going to be trying is going to be omelet. Woohoo! Thank you, Tila, for the recommendations. It's gonna be next on the list. If there's anything that you guys specifically want me to make from the Gudetama Cookbook, here is the list of options for you guys to choose from, and I'll be more than happy to give it a try. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Right now, I don't know, you're in charge of yourself. Bye!